So, good morning, class 7th. How you are going? Now your copies has been returned to you. All the copies has been returned to you. So I think so. You have seen your copies, that what mistakes you have done, and what you have not written. So girls, if there is any pending work which you have not completed the chapters or not completed the answers, girls, please complete it and try to do your work on time and submit your copies on time. Okay girls, because it is very difficult to check your copies if you have written half of the answers. Okay, because many of the copies were not written properly, or the answers were not correctly written, writing was also very horrible, so it was not able to be read also. So girls, please see that you improve your writing and write neatly. If you write neatly also, it looks good. So girls, please see that you write neatly and complete your work on time. And nowadays and afterwards, whatever PDF files you are getting, please girls, see, save the PDF files and complete your work. Okay, so let's move to our chapter. In the previous video, I explained you about the Excel's functions, that is how to select the cell, how to redo and undo options, how to insert a row, insert a column, delete a row, delete a column, like this. I've explained you everything. Next, I explained you how to copy and move. Copying and moving, I've explained you in that. Okay, now I will explain you that how we can do the calculations in Excel. Okay, because mainly the Excel is used for calculations and charts. Okay, so I will first explain you that how we will calculate the things. Let's start. Like some numbers I am taking, like first I make a chart here, data. I've written roll number, then I've written English, I've written Hindi, I've written some subject names. Okay, maths. Okay, I've written 3 subject names. Okay, and here I will do the totaling of that. Okay, total. Now come down and first roll number. Okay, then I will write here 89, then 74, and then 98. Okay, next roll number 2, that is 76, 90, and means 100, and next roll number 3, 88, 28, 86. Okay, so these are the numbers. Now I have to total it. Okay, remember girls, when we are doing the calculations, the first symbol which we use to calculate in this Excel sheet, that is equal to. Okay, first we will use the equal to sign. हम इसमें equal to sign का use करते हैं calculations के लिए. Okay, जैसे हम कॉपीज में भी इक्वल टू लिखते हैं ना, जब हम टोटल कर लेते हैं तो इक्वल टू इतना. ओके, 2 + 2 = 4. इक्वल टू बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो यहाँ पे भी हम जब भी कोई फंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं, वेन एवर वी आर using the functions, we use first which symbol? We are using the equal to symbol. Okay, like we are writing equal to. Now I have to write the numbers. The numbers are in the cell, and I told you about the cell name. So we will write the cell name. The first number, that is 89, it is written in B2. Yes, so I will write here B2. See, that is selected. It means that is the correct cell name. Then I will do the plus. Then I will again write C2. Okay, C2. plus again D2, because it is like that only, BCD. So B2, C2 and D2. See, all these are selected, okay, and the colors are also changed. Got it? And now just we will do enter. Now you see the total. Have you seen the total? Yes, it is the total. Now want to see the formula again? See, in the formula box you can see the formula what we have written. Another option is that you just do the equal to, okay, sum. Sum is a function name. Bracket. From where we are starting, that is B2. We will give a range of that. Okay, this is called the range of cell, and we are selecting. So not B2, that is B3. Okay, B3 colon C, colon, we are using the colon sign, to D3. Okay, see, it is all selected together, and now close the parenthesis and just enter. See, you can to see the formula. See the formula equal to sum B3 colon D3. We have, this is the range of the cell. One formula, just write B2 plus B3, B2 plus C2 plus D2, and again another formula, that is equal to, give the function name and the range of the cell, okay, and just enter. You will get the answer. And one thing more, if you want to, if you see that the same thing we have to do in the next column also, just drag this. See, when we are dragging, a plus sign has appeared in that. Okay, so just drag it and the formula is copied to the next cell. Want to see? See, just the path is changed, the formula has been copied. Okay, like if you do the calculation, same calculation sum you are doing, so you can just drag the formula to the next cell also. It will copy the cell with the changing of the rows and the column. Changing the name of the rows and the column, it will copy the formula. So I have told you about all the functions and how to do the calculations. Now this was the calculations. How do we do? Like here also, if I do the calculation, like this, if I do the calculation, so see, it is B equal to sum parenthesis B2 to B5. See, I've written here. See, I've written here. It is selected, the whole box is selected. Just close the parenthesis and enter. Wait a minute, just something has been wrong. Sum equal to sum, always use the equal to sum, B3 B2 colon B5. See, it is selected. Now I close the parenthesis and just enter it. I'm sorry, it is B5, not B. Here also, if you having any, you have done the mistake, like I have done B5, so one mistake is there, it is B4. So from here also you can change the correction. You do the correction from there also. Just do the 4 and enter. See, your answer is there. Okay, got the answer. And if you want to drag this, just go there in the point. See, the plus sign has been appeared, and just drag. See, the totals has been appear here. Okay, so like this we can do the calculations. Okay, understood? And if you want to go to the formula, then go to the formulas Okay, here calculation options are there. Okay, you can show the formulas. Okay, so many options are there. You can, from here you can go to the formulas. Clear? Or here also you have symbols to do the calculations, and or you can go to the formula. Okay, or if you want to go to the formula, just click here fx. You can open this and see the argument, function argument box has been appear. From here also you can select your cells. Okay, got it? See, it has shown you the formulas. Okay, it has shown you the formulas. How we have done the formulas, it has shown. All the formulas are there. Okay, clear? See, now if you want to show more formulas, if you want to see more formulas, go here in the fx. See, here is an option in formulas, insert functions. If you go here, then you can see some formulas are there and you can add these formulas. Okay, these were the functions, and now I will show you the using autofill features. Now autofill means to fill the same something automatically. Okay, like I'm writing here, like shift to sheet 2, this new sheet, like we are writing Monday. Okay, I've written here Monday. I have to write all the 7 days. Okay, so it is time taking, so just reduce the time. You just go here, see the plus sign has been here, and just drag. See, all your days has been appear. So this is called autofill. Like this, if you want to do the years also, like January, you just write Jan and you drag it. The cell should be active. Okay, see, all the months has been appear. Like this you can do the numbers also, but for numbers you have to write 1, enter 2. Okay, and then you have to select these 2 numbers and then you have to drag. Okay, if you write only 1, then it will print 1 1 1 1. Okay, if you write 2, then it only 2 2 2. But if you write 1 and 2 and then select both the cell and then drag, then it will give you the numbers. Here, like table also you have to do. If you want to write the table of 2, then 2 enter 4 and just select that 2 things. And just drag it. You see, the table has been appeared of 2. Okay, so like this you can do the autofill. So girls, your chapter has been over now. If you're having any problem in this chapter, please go through this video carefully and listen what I have done. And if you're having the source, means if you're having the laptops or desktop, then please girls try this and try to do this. Okay, and if you have any problem, then comment on the comment box. Okay, and the next video I'll give you the recap of all these things so that you can understand everything very deeply. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will give a recap, short recap of this chapter in the next video. So girls, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.